Today we are going to perform an activity to find out the perfect squares between, that is from 1 to 20. Numbers from 1 to 20, we will find out a perfect square by an activity. Now, first of all, in this activity, to find the perfect square numbers 1 to 20, first we are having numbers 1 to 20 which I have written on the flashcards. Then we have the another column, that is number of turns and number of factors. So 1 is having only one factor 1, 2 is having two factors 1 and 2. So in that way we have written the factors. Now according to the activity, I want to find out a perfect square from 1 to 20. Which numbers are perfect square? So first we come to this. Now we come to the 1. 1 is a factor of how many numbers? So we will turn the cards upside down where 1 is a factor. So 1 is a factor of 2, 1 is a factor of 3, 1 is a factor of 4, 1 is a factor of 5, 1 is a factor of 6, 1 is a factor of 7, 1 is a factor of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So wherever the one, where we did the card upside down, so we did in 1, we did in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So once we have turned the card, so number of turns became 1 for each. Now we come to the next, that is 2. 2 is a factor of what? 2 is a factor of all the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So now which cards were turned? The cards turned were 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So we are then putting a mark which the card was turned. Now we come to the next 3. 3 is a factor of what? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we upside down the cards. So 3 we turned it, then we turned it 6, then we turned 9, then we turned 12, then we turned 15, then we turned 18. Okay? Now the next number is 4. Now 4 is a factor of which number? 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So we will, the cards which we turned were 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Now we come to the next number 5. 5 is a factor of 5, 10, 15 and 20. So we will mark the card which we turned were 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now we come to the next, that is 6. 6 is 6, 12, 18. So the cards which were turned were 6, 12 and 18. Now we come to the next number, that is 7. 7 and 14. So 2 cards are turned, 7 and 14. Now we come to the 8. Now 8, 16. So 8 and 16. 8 will mark and then we'll mark the 16. Now after 8 we come to the 9. So the 9 is for 9, and 18. So 9 and 18. Now next we come to the 10. So 10, it is 10 and 20. So only two cards we turned it, that is 10 and 20. Now the next is 11. So 11 only one. 11, 22 is not there, so 11. Now we come to the 12. So 11, 1, so I mark only once, one card we have turned. 12, also we have turned one card. Now 13, again there is no other factors of 13, so one card. Similarly, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Because there are no other factors, so we are making it once. That is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So one turn we have made it everywhere. Now what we will see? Now you can see all those cards which we have done upside down. The cards whose color is pink. That is 1, 4, 9 and 16. So these are the cards which are the perfect squares. So 1, 4, 9 and 16 are the perfect squares. So we have found out the perfect square from it. Now there is one more relation. Suppose this is number of turn is 1. So there is only one factor. Number of turns 2. So 2 factors. Number of turns 2. 2 factors. Number of turns 3. So 3 factors. Number of turns 2. So 2 factors. Similarly 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 6, 2, 4, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6. So see, it's matching with the number of factors. So by turning it also, we can find out the number of factors. Plus there is another relation, that all these perfect square number which we found out, one was 1, then 4, then the next was 16, 9, 16. These were the perfect square number which we found out. Now see the number of factors of this. 1 is having 1, 4 is having 3, 9 is having 3, 16 is having 5. So numbers of factors of this perfect square are odd numbers of factors. That is, 1 is having only 1, 4 is having 3, 9 is having 3 and 16 is having 5. So all the number of factors of perfect square is another, we can say that they are odd numbers. So you might have enjoyed this activity. Thank you.